The weather sucks, but alas, this is 25 birds. Much better. Finally found a spot out of the wind. It's April 21st today. I know I live in Illinois. I know I can move because I'm grown if I want, but I'm just sick of cold weather. And this is it's like 50. The wind makes it feel terrible. But I'm hearing birds. Black-capped chickadee. Got some sparrows in here. Heard a field sparrow. And this is a great park, Morrison Rockwood State Park outside of Morrison, Illinois. This is Whiteside County, 25 birds. I did well here in the winter. I think I broke 25 in the winter, which is saying a lot here in Illinois, but this place is awesome. Good mix of habitat, open fields. There's a lake, big road that goes through the park. You can bird off that and a bunch of these areas. I'm gonna check out here and see if we can rack up some birds. We are at 15-ish, I think, right now. Even though the weather is poor, it is still early spring migration. I still talk with my hands. So I'm at 20. Turkey hunting in progress. Trail's closed till 1. Luckily, I'm on the road, around the lake. There's no hunting. So don't let hunting scare you off. Just get out and stay in the areas that are safe. Always stay safe. One bird away. I'd like to get 30. Should be getting 40 or so, but it's an hour north from where I birded a couple days ago. And it's a much worse day. I think the wind's keeping everything tucked in. Not a lot of bird videos today. It's a shame. I want to bust out the new Nikon, but it is what it is. Ended up with 29. Just kind of worked my way through this windy, cold day. If you don't get out, you don't know. Nothing spectacular today, but did get first of year cliff swallow, one short of the swallow slam that we get around here, which is barn swallow, tree swallow, cliff swallow, northern rough-winged swallow, and bank swallow. I didn't get bank swallow. There are a ton of swallows. My numbers on eBird are low, but there's just tons of them out over the water. I was able to easily pick out 4 of the 5, but no bank. Birds I got today. Check Whiteside County off the list. And hopefully I'll get bird number 30 before I leave the park. We're done.